Hey guys, what's up? So in this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can get this crying makeup filter on TikTok. So this is the effect. To get this effect on TikTok, just go to the effect gallery. Okay, in trending section, remember this image. This is the filter. Okay, suppose you are not getting the effect like this from the trending section, what you can do? Come on the search button. Okay, here search for crying makeup. Okay, the second one with 695.7k videos, this is the effect. Tap on it. Okay, you got the filter. Suppose you are not getting the effect like this from the effect gallery, what you can do? Go to your For You page and here search for crying makeup filter. Okay, on the top row you will see the effect name, just tap there. Okay, you will be directed to the effect page. Now from here you can edit to your favorites, and at the bottom of the page you will see use this effect. You can tap there to use the effect. Likewise. Okay, suppose you are not getting the effect like this also from your For You page, what you can do? Let me go back. Okay, visit this website. Link to this website I'll give you in the description box below. So here in this website you will see the effect icon. Just tap there. Okay, you will be directed to the effect page. Now tap on the record button at the bottom of the screen. Okay, so that's it, you got the filter. So thanks for watching the video guys. See you in the next video.